Welcome to Fine Art Made Easy, Lesson 4, Part 4. Okay, let's look at the mixes. Okay, so for the blue cube, starting from the left-hand side, we have the dark shaded, or the darker shaded area. The next one will be the top of the cube. The second to the right will be the face of the cube, and the very right-hand side mix will be the lighter shaded area, or could be used as a mix. And let's look at the orange cube. So it's the same thing. On the left, the darker shaded area, the top, the face of the cube, and then the lighter shaded area. And now I'm going to show you how to paint both of the cubes for the first layer. Okay, I think we're going to start off with the blue cube for this one. Okay, so it's only first layer, so nothing too much. Okay, let's bit of liquid. Okay, now we're going with another one. Is it going to be dark enough? I don't know. It's the first layer, so there's nothing too much to worry about. Okay. So already that looks, well, no, that looks fine. So we get the paint on, much like the sphere and the cube in lesson 2 and the sphere in lesson 3. It's easy to see, even though we mixed the values before, put a bit more black into this one, I think it's a bit darker. We can see it better when the paint is actually on the canvas. It's a bit difficult to even see that. So just, nice and easy. It's very simple. Bit more liquid, not too much. Plain. Okay, let's go back. Let's do the top. It's more bluish than last time, that's for sure. That's pretty good. Pretty nice and it's blue there, it's very nice. It curls around. I don't know if I'm going to do it or not. Let's get the paint on first. All right, that's fine. Okay, that's basically right. Let's have a look. I bet this will be too light. Not bad, not bad. That could be just right. definitely lighter. Ooh, I've got that one just right. I'd say between here and here is half a value, half a step, as we would say, not a full step. Yeah, I think I might have got that one first time round. So some of the black, more ultramarine blue. Same here, but it's not as dark as last time. A little bit. I mean, a little bit of this here, but I'll make it a little bit lighter. It's a bit wet. It's a bit wet. Get done. Let's make that a bit thicker so when it's blended in it makes it a bit easier. Just clean the brush. Right. Let's see. The shaded area of the orange cube. Let's have a look. Not bad, not bad. Do for that side. Top, a little bit of liquid. Let's have a look. Ooh, not bad, not bad. see how orangey it is. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. There's a lot of yellow in this one, a lot of cadmium yellow, surprising. So what we'll do is this, just clean this up as well. Just clean it up a bit. The background's still a bit wet, so. Okay, that's fine. Just tidy it up a bit. That looks fine. Let's do the highlight. This is very yellowish. Yeah, it's fine. But what I will do is I get my little brush, because these darks are very important. I want to get the darken again, so let's go to black. And mix this before. Let's just go over it again. Just want to get it a bit darker. Too dark. Do the same here, but with more burnt umber. But obviously it's orange, so I'm going to go pure burnt umber actually. Pure burnt umber around here. Maybe a little bit of ultramarine, but I just need to darken up a little bit. That's fine. I think there's a little bit underneath there. And it okay, so we do burnt umber. Actually, we'll do some of this with a bit of burnt umber. Just that. That'll do. It's fine, just leave it like that. It's fine. Highlight. Okay, let's do this bit. That works. Clean the brush. That works for me. Just turn that up a bit. In the brush. As you could do this one. Yeah, that works. Clean the brush. I'm not going to worry about. I don't worry about these lines. Not at this stage. Yep. That was a good one. That'll do. It's fine. That works. Let's do the highlight. It's also fine. Yep. And when I'm blending these ones here, I'm blending this and the dark and the foreground together. That's the way to go. I'll leave it there. I think that's enough. That's enough for this lesson. Thank you for watching. Please go to lesson 4 part 5.